Welcome everyone. In today's video, Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Exodus app on your mobile device. So let's get started. To download and install Exodus app on your mobile device, first, you need to open your Play Store. Then, you need to search for the keyword Exodus in your search bar of Play. Let me search it really quickly. Then, you can see Exodus app in the search result of the search. So just simply install it. It may take some time to download it. Let's wait for it. Just be patient. As you can see, the Exodus app has already been downloaded and installed on my mobile device. So let's check it out in the app section. So yes, there it is. The task has been completed. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.